guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are on our way to the city center of Turin. We just flew from Bari and we actually made it to Turin in just 1 hour and 20 minutes because we are going to stay here for the next 24 hours and show you around. So if you would like to know more about Turin, you should definitely watch this video till the end. Did you know that Turin was a capital of Italy time ago?
I do.
You do?
Only because you told me, but yeah. I did know that.
Yeah, actually Turin was the capital of Italy before Rome.
But why did they change it?
Because Rome has more history,
Yeah.
I think. I mean, we need to check on this. If you're new to this channel, my name is Francesco and I've been traveling around the world for the last 6 years, and today I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful cities here in Italy. It's called Turin, or Torino in Italian, and it's very famous for especially one thing, and that's the reason why we are here, because it's the base of Juventus. Juventus is one of the most famous international football club here in Italy and in Europe, and I say worldwide. And today we are here for a special event, which is the Champions League match between Juventus and Benfica, a Portuguese team. We actually got a taxi from the airport to the city center. We are staying at Best of Western Hotel, which is just next Porta Nova. First thing, we actually took a taxi from the airport Torino to the city center. It cost us 35 euros, which is like a fixed fee, so make sure you don't get scammed by the taxi. You just pay that 35 euros. They will bring you here in the city center, and we checked in our hotel, which is the Best Western Hotel, which is just next to the Porta Nuova station here in Turin. How do you feel about this hotel? I mean, it's just for a night.
Yeah.
It's okay?
For a short stop, it's very nice. And
Yeah.
the bathroom's actually pretty nice.
Oh, is it? Let's check it out. The bathroom.
Look up here.
Just $100 to stay here for a night, so the price was, I'd say, okay to be in the city center of Turin. But right now we have to change quickly because the match is just in 2 hours, so we need to get there, get our spot, and then enjoy the beautiful match at the Juventus Stadium. So we are on our way to the stadium. We just got the metro, which is gonna drop us to 23rd December, I think it's a square, and then from there we're gonna get a bus. The cost is €3.40 for 2 tickets, and you can use it for 100 minutes. Guys, it took us basically 1 hour and a half to get to the stadium, and now it's 45 minutes before the match, so we are getting in. We are inside the stadium. I'll show you in a bit. Good morning, it's actually our second day and last day here in Turin. Yesterday the game was good for the show, not good for the result. Unfortunately the team lost, but it was still a very nice experience, which I recommend if you are in Turin. And right now we are on the hunt of a good place to have breakfast. So we've seen few online, so we're gonna check it out. It's called Sweet Lab. Sweet Lab.
Sweet lab.
And what are we doing here?
Getting breakfast.
Breakfast?
And something to drink.
What did you order?
I ordered an iced chai, and first time having something like this in a while.
And what else?
French toast, which is one of my favorite foods, so.
Yeah, let's check it out. So the breakfast was really filling, let's say that, and also very pricey. but right now we are heading to a very special place. Actually, we are heading to the first Egyptian museum in the world, I think. I think I'm saying something like that, or maybe in Italy or something like that. Anyway, it's an Egyptian museum, and I think we're gonna find Sphinx and what else?
Sphinx.
Sphinx.
Sphinx and Sphinx.
Sphinx. It's like, sounds like German. And mummies.
Mummies and
I have mummies and mummies. Cleopatra waiting for us. I do have actually a mummies every day next to me. In the morning, she's like a mummy. You can barely see her under the blankets. And so yeah, we're gonna check it out. The tickets should be like 15 euros per person, and there is also a little coffee shop inside. And also, if you have a backpack like me, you can actually leave it at the locker room for just €1. Let's check it out. Just saying, there's so many beautiful squares around here, isn't it? This is Piazza Carlo Alberto, and I guess that's a museum from the Renaissance age. You know the Renaissance age?
Kinda.
You kinda. It's about Renaissance.
Renaissance?
I think it's called like
that. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, from the 19th century. Yeah. You can see we are not very good in history, but I mean, all this. Thank you. All these beautiful buildings are built around the 19th century, so they're pretty new, let's say that. Officially inside the museum, I feel like in the movie One Night at the Museum. Don't you feel like that? I mean, I wish that we got locked up here in the night and then things gets alive and... No, okay. Let's go to the permanent collection. Amber, you have something to say?
It's always asleep. In the fetal position.
You like it?
Yes.
That's how we're gonna bury you.
I hope so.
You hope so? Okay, that's kind of terrifying, to be honest.
I hope you take that much care when you bury me.
I will. What do you think about this experience?
Very cool.
Totally worth it. Just arrived at another spot that you should definitely not miss, which is Mole Antonelliana. As you can see, you can actually pay a ticket. It's a museum, so if you get the ticket to get inside, you can go up there, and then you have one of the most beautiful views of Turin. I think I can let you see this in a second. It's lunchtime and we found this beautiful, cute place really next by the National Museum of Renaissance. What's the name of this place?
Antica Focacceria. Something Francesco.
Antica Focacceria di...
St. Francesco?
Yes. That's good. Let's try it. We start with some parmigiana, then we have some like kind of small bites, and then huge big salad. And actually, the funny stuff here, they have something called mole cola, which is basically not Coca-Cola, some like Italian Turin made cola. Tastes good, less sugar, I'd say. We want to hear you singing.
Turn the camera off.
Come on, sing.
You know this song?
Do I recognize it? Yes. Do I know the words? No.
It says volare. Oh oh. Cantare. Oh.
So we just go back to the hotel to get our luggages, and now we're heading back to the airport. So far Turin has been very welcoming and a nice city to tour for 24 hours, but now it's time to go back to Bari, and the flight is waiting for us. If you did enjoy this video, please smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any comment or question, there's a comment bar below, and I'll wait you at the next video. Ciao!